This video will cover the Just Ask update to display dimension attributes. You can find these in a few locations. So first we'll click the plus sign here to add to search. And we'll scroll down to our dimensions for location. And here we have it. Next we'll go into model management. We'll select our model and we're in the overview tab. When we scroll down to find dimensions, to our location, we have it here as well. So we'll go back up and select the Explore Data tab, add an object, and again we'll go down to find our location, and here we are. Close this and move on to the Rules tab. We'll add a new rule and we'll just go through this first step, adding a name, measure dimension, click Next, and then when we go in here to include measure dimension, can scroll down and find our location, and here we are again.